Big Brother issues Pere, Maria, and GMK a strike each.
Pere, Maria.
Yes, Big Brother.
JMK.
Yes, Big Brother.
You are hereby issued a strike.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as we all know, Likoro's won the head of house tonight, right? Of course, they had a head of house challenge and she emerged the winner with 21 points. And then they moved to the lounge and Big Brother told them to prepare for the nomination process. But before the nomination process, Big Brother needed to address some issues in the house. Of course, we all had been waiting for these issues to be addressed, especially the microphone infringements. People say a lot of things about Big Brother, about the whole production team and all of that. And now Big Brother decided to address the issue. So he started out by addressing the allegations against the production team and the conflicts in the house, right? And of course, he said that a lot of them do not even get scared that he is even watching. And of course, some people even went as far as saying that they don't care if Big Brother is watching, especially Pere. You remember when Pere, of course, was talking about the fact that whitemoney knew that he was a wild card, and he said he doesn't even care if Big Brother is listening to him, that he knows that one of the chaperones in the house where they were lodged before they came into the show was the one who told whitemoney that he is a wild card.
Let's discuss settling differences, libelous and misleading information about the production and microphone infringements.
He went on to say that he knows that there will be conflicts in the house, and of course that there are different ways of handling things because these people are different, and of course they will have different ways of expressing their grievances. And he called the 6 people up: Tega, Jackie, Maria, Queen, whitemoney, and Pere. And of course, he gave them a strict warning on how to handle their differences, especially those who want to bully someone or charge at someone. And he said no more provocation in the house, and they should find a way to resolve their differences amicably.
Tega, Jackie B, Queen, Maria, Pere, whitemoney. You all need to exercise caution in how you handle conflicts.
And then Big Brother moved on to the microphone infringement issue. This has been one of the things that the housemates have, flouted over time. They've infringed on the microphone times with a number. But 3 people stood out in this whole case. He played a clip for them. And of course, the first one was Maria telling Pere to remove his mic because Maria too had also removed her mic. And of course, he also played a clip. We didn't see that clip, right? But of course, the clip was about JMK, who went into the jacuzzi with her microphone. So JMK's offense was the fact that she went into the jacuzzi with a microphone. And of course, she damaged the microphone of Big Brother.
JMK. Entering the jacuzzi with your microphone, you must know that this will not go unpunished.
So this is it. Big Brother had warned them times without number before now about microphone infringement. I mean, this time he warned them. We see had Ari in the house, we had KV in the house, right? But these people did not listen. They went trying to infringe microphones, right?
Let's address some house issues. Whispering, speaking in hushed tones.
And then Big Brother went ahead and said, you know what, I'm done with this back and forth, I'm done with this cat and dog. And he called up Pere, Maria, and JMK. And he issued them a strike each for microphone infringements.
Pere, Maria.
Yes, Big Brother.
JMK.
Yes, Big Brother.
You are hereby issued a strike.
Of course, like we all know, with 2 more strikes, these 3 people will be out of the show. But Big Brother also still wanted to give them some more punishment. He felt like that 1 strike was not enough for them. You know what he did? He barred them from the head of house privileges for the next 2 weeks.
Aside from the strike, you are hereby barred from the head of house position or privileges for 2 weeks, starting today.
It means no immunity, no veto power, and of course, no access to the head of house lounge. Big Brother also did not spare the housemates because some of them also are offenders when it comes to the microphone infringement. And he told them that tomorrow morning, they will see a letter that contains the punishment that they're supposed to serve. And after Big Brother was done addressing all of them, the nomination process began. And here was how it went.
Pere, Maria.
Cross and peace. Saga and peace. Boma and Pere.
Pere, Sammy. JMK and Pere. Peace and Pere.
Sammy and GMK.
Sammy and Queen.
After the nominations, he called Pere, Queen, Peace, Maria, JMK, and of course Sammy, as these 6 people had been put up for possible evictions on Sunday.
Pere, Queen, Peace, Sammy, JMK, Maria.
And then he called Liko Rose, the head of house, to put her veto power into play by saving one of the housemates and of course replacing the housemate with another. And in the real sense, you would have thought that she would save Maria and replace Maria with someone else, but guess who she saved? She saved Peace and replaced Peace with Cross.
I replaced Peace with Cross.
And then Liko Rose chose Saga as her deputy head of house. Of course, she wasn't going to choose Emmanuel, because if she chose Emmanuel, it meant that Emmanuel had to go into the head of house lounge with another lady, right? So she chose Saga as the deputy head of house, and of course, Saga chose Nini as his guest.
Kindly nominate one housemate from the opposite gender whom you would like to share the head of house lounge with.
Like we all know, Liko Rose has been barred from the head of house room. She has only 1 more week to serve her punishment, and that's why she did not choose Emmanuel to be the deputy head of house. We literally are going to see how this week will play out with the whole twist and everything the Big Brothers brought to the table tonight. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guess what? You get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. And until next time I come with you very soon, it's bye for now.